To talk the hind legs off a donkey is a British and Irish idiom used to describe a person who is very talkative or who talks excessively, often to the point of tiring out or boring the listener. It suggests that the person is capable of talking so much that they could talk the legs off a donkey, an animal known for its stubbornness and endurance. The origin of this phrase is uncertain, but it is likely developed in the 19th century in Britain or Ireland. Donkeys are known for their stamina and strength, and the idea of talking the hind legs off a donkey humorously suggests that the person's ability to talk is so great that even an animal as enduring as a donkey would be overwhelmed and give in. The expression plays on the donkey's reputation for stubbornness, implying that if a donkey could lose its legs from listening to someone talk, the person must be an extremely persistent or long-winded talker, just like me. Example sentences. Dick could talk the hind legs off a donkey, especially when he gets started on his favourite subject. You should hear Fiona go on about her travels. She could talk the hind legs off a donkey. I tried to leave, but Dick was talking the hind legs off a donkey about his new car. Once Fiona starts on politics, she can talk the hind legs off a donkey. Dick managed to talk the hind legs off a donkey at the meeting, and we were there for hours. Fiona's lovely, but she can talk the hind legs off a donkey if you give her half a chance. Hope you enjoyed this idiom. Please comment on which example you like best, or if you have a better example, please comment below. Of course, don't forget to like. So, I'll see you on the flip side. Ta-ra a bit.